Good morning, everybody. This is Tuesday today, the April 21st. I came to my shop and this job was already here since yesterday. This is like after 6th week, this is my second day. I didn't open for almost 1.5 months. But anyway, this job came as usual. Somebody tried to weld it up. The common mistake everybody make is whoever don't successfully make the weld work is that they don't make a V-groove all the way around. I don't know why. This seems like it never been done the way it should be done. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean it up more. Since somebody, look at this, somebody welded over here. Now you can see the crack right there. It came back again. So let's see, I'm gonna try to fix it, see how good I can do. All right, went ahead and cleaned it up. In order to cover the whole thing, I went ahead and made the plate for this. What the heck I did with it? Right there. There we go. So what I'm thinking to do is put this on the top, weld it all around so it have more support to sit with, you know, and kind of like a little bit more material on the top of it, since this thing breaks a lot. I've seen it so many times. You've probably seen it in another video. Alrighty, let's see how it goes. Hello guys, how you doing? Here we go. I'm kind of waiting for it to cool down. It was kind of a little bit hot, so I just stopped over there, right there. Welded it all around. I'm gonna go ahead and weld this, finish it. I don't need this hole, so I'm gonna kind of cover it with another cap. Reason being that if they need it again, they can just cut the cover off and use that outlet. And I'm gonna go ahead and clean it up. Let's see how it goes. I found one crack right there and one over here. You can see right there. So I have to fix it too. So let's see how it goes. Everlast is running fine. Really nice. Alright guys, here we go. We almost done with it. I put the nipple and the plug back. This is not my weld. I'm not saying that this is bad or mine is good, or what I'm saying, like, there's a big difference between MIG welding on the tank and the Tig welding. Big difference for me. I'm not sure for others. I didn't do that part. I don't do MIG on tanks. I do Tig, so it comes out okay. These tanks are so dirty. I try to clean them up really nicely, but we get some of the junk here and there. Anyway, this job is done. Hopefully customer likes it. Let's see what happens. Alrighty.